Wow, this is a beautiful, small, beautiful room in Viking Line Club, or let me say Viking Line. Yeah, and have everything set up, my laptop set up. I have to, walk a little bit while I'm traveling to Stockholm, to Sweden, to meet my beautiful wife. Yep. Okay. I mean, it's pretty amazing space. I like everything here. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Good, 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 good. At least I have some privacy here. This is the bathroom. You know, yeah, I think everything looks pretty cool here. Pretty nice small space, affordable space. Let me say it that way. Guys, I'm happy, that I could travel anywhere I want to go to. I can walk, anywhere I find myself. And this is due to like smart walking, smart thinking. I make sure I try to be independent, try to work hard to build something sustainable for myself. I want to be the one to set the rules. I want to be the one to decide when to wake up, when to sleep, and overall, the same thing I want for each and every one of you who are part of my circle. So if say you are tired of your job, like you're tired of going to your job every day, you're tired of your boss, telling you what to do or when to do it, and so on and so forth, then if you're tired of all that, I can help you. I didn't just wake up someday and start being who I am today. It was a gradual process. So most of you see me now enjoying what I enjoy right now. It's not as if it just happened like that. It's a process. I have built this over a long period of time. You can build the same over a long period of time with the right mentor, the right guidance. You can do this. So I can help you to become your own boss, to set up your own business. It doesn't matter if say you have a business idea or not, if say you are an entrepreneur or not, we can figure out something for you based on your hobbies, based on what you're passionate about. We can help you, or I can help you set up something sustainable for you that will generate income long term. So if you are interested in something like that, then make sure you reach out to me. The links are found below this video. I'm all about financial education. I'm all about money, cryptocurrency, investment, entrepreneurship. If say you really want to be that financially free, in terms of not like, let me not say financially free, I mean like to have more than enough to take care of yourself, and to an extra take care of your bills, and so on and so forth. So make sure you reach out to me and let's see how we can work out something together. All right, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just level up. Don't be scared. looking back. Mirror breaks, aftermath. When I hate, I attack. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Mirror breaks, aftermath. When I hate, I attack. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.